the finished look of this unit right here, guys. So this unit was sent to me from Divaswigs.com. So I'm going to read all the specs of this unit right now for you guys. So the SKU number on this unit, guys, is the RS006. Now the length on this unit was originally a 16-inch, but you guys did see that I went in and did like a little clean cut on it, wanted to make it all even. So I do like it now. It's about like a 14-inch. You guys can see that it's super bouncy and full. So this unit, guys, the hair color is a natural black. The cap construction on this one is a 5x5 lace closure. Now this is the Real Scalp wig, guys. So the construction, obviously I showed you guys the inner cap, is completely different from their standard lace, guys. So this one, you won't see any grids in it. You won't see any of that mess. Now there's one thing about this unit that I kind of noticed, but you guys will probably notice yourself, that the unit is not tinted. So you're going to either have to add your own powder and finagle it yourself, or you can go ahead and tint it. So this is average cap size, guys, and the lace color on this one is a medium brown. Now, putting the lace color here is a little confusing, like I said, because if you guys seen the inner cap in the beginning of the video, the inner cap, I had to go ahead and add a little bit of spray to it. I actually thought I had it over here, but I don't. I had to add my Even hairspray, tinting hairspray on the back of it. Now that didn't actually penetrate, that only penetrated the back surface of the 5x5 closure. So I had to go ahead and split through the hair in the sections and just add my own powder to it. But once I did that, guys, the hair is super flawless in the scalpage area. So I can see what they're saying when they go by Real Scalp look, guys, because this actually looks super realistic. However, when you first receive it, you're definitely gonna have to add powder to it or tint it like on top of the hair, just because that little lace piece definitely comes out with this kind of like white crystally gray silvery look, and when you put that on your head, you're kind of looking like, girl, this is not gonna work. So initially when I got the wig, I was a little bit confused on why it was like that, just because, you know, the fake scalp or the Real Scalp type of looks on these units, sometimes they'll give you like this kind of like silvery or like white type of look. But what I decided to do, like I said, is just go in and add your own powder to or spray it and you'll be fine. Like I said, even when you do spray the inner part of the cap, you are still going to have like a little bit of some of that clearage in this area. So all I did was take my comb, split it up, and add my powder to it just to kind of make everything melt together. I will turn around and show you guys what the back looks like. I actually like the length. I actually like the texture of the hair. It is like a nice kind of light wave texture. I did go in with my Cream of Nature mousse. I use a little bit of the blow dryer just to kind of like buff it out. And this is the hair when it's naturally air dried. It has a lot of volume. It has that kind of perfect like light spring type or autumn fall type of wave, just kind of before the weather is like extremely hot or extremely cold. So it's that perfect type of kind of like light wave, if you know what I mean. So I really like that about the unit, guys. So all in all, I love the unit. I think the 5x5 closure, whole new closure type of situations is just better. My hair, as you guys can see, it's short, it's cut, so I don't have to glue the edges down or anything like that. All I did was use the Got To Be Glue Instant High Insta Hold, and that was it, just to put this down. And that's not really glue, it's not going to damage your head. So I'm going to say the 5x5 closure wig is pretty solid, guys. Love how natural it looks. You do have to put a little bit of work into it, but it's nothing too big of a deal. So guys, I'll leave all the information down below per usual if you're interested in purchasing this unit from Divaswigs.com. But do not forget, guys, to thumbs up this video, leave your comments down below, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family, people, and I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye.